So here we have the Volkswagen Tiguan on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car, which are 49,245. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, but there are other menus available to you. As you can see, navigation, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then back around to where we started. The buttons that you use to do that are just here. We have stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, you can hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. And then over in the center, we have the main touchscreen for the cars. This is where you'll find, amongst other things, your satellite navigation, as you can see. To access your music, you've got the radio firstly. This car's got DAB, FM and AM radio, as you can see. If you want to listen to your own music, hit the media button just there. And then, again, you've got lots of ways you can listen to your own music. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you pair up your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. And pairing your phone is done by hitting the phone button and following the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. Once you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning off or back on again. Or hit auto. The car will then take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You can override that manually at any time you wish to and put it back on your own settings here as well. Underneath that, we have 2 USB inputs, the auxiliary input for your music, a 12-volt charging socket, the 6-speed manual gearbox. Down here you've got an electronic handbrake with auto hold function. You can turn off your parking sensors, and this button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that orange light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.